Okay.
Hey, dude.
Okay, where's the Cyber Ninja dude?
Oh, he's coming right now.
I don't know where is he. He's right there.
Oh, he's right. I'm here, guys. I'm right here.
Okay.
I'm here.
Come on, we're gonna go camping.
Yay!
Fun.
I'll be
Okay,
carrying my ninja.
So, why are
He's
you
on my-
carrying him?
I didn't even carry him. He was just on my head.
Okay.
But let's just go.
Hey guys, so this is the main weapon.
Whoa.
This is the thing that will make us survive, okay?
What is
He
that?
has his own weapons.
Oh, well, this one's powerful. He's fly. I can make anything fly.
I believe I can fly.
Go down.
Can you make me fly?
Fly.
Can you make me fly?
I
Fly.
believe I can fly.
Oh no, stop flying, stop flying, stop flying.
Ah. Ow.
That means to do. Okay. Sorry, I have to save up my energy.
Okay, that's fine.
But where's the sideboard?
Get food. We have invisible food. Ooh, this is a hamburger. Ow, 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 ow. Jail for 1 minute. Right back at you.
No, right here.
Hamburger. Invisible
1 minute later.
Free.
Let's fly.
Free. You're free from yourself.
Hold up. Okay. Cyborg's
What?
sleeping right now.
No, he's just powered off.
Oh yeah. I'm just gonna hold him. He's on my hand, still powering.
Yeah, so this is a good sleepover. The other one died.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, that's true.
He's still powering off.
No, I got it.
We could sleep what?
Okay, I just appeared this magical thing. We can all go sleep. Guys, what the heck?
Whoa.
Why are we being on top of each other?
I don't know. Cyber, wake up! Wake up!
Okay, I got. No, his name is Dane. Everyone knows that.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Okay, he's waking up.
Yeah. Hey guys. I have a great sleep. What about you guys?
You guys, you can't sleep.
Ow.
Could use some ketchup.
Yeah.
I'm a ninja.
Stay.
Okay.
Dave, he's frozen. So he'll be
gonna
powered
be
off for a
right
while.
Boink, 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 boink. Bye guys, I'm flashing off.
Back down. We can't. We have
That
to
was
get
fun.
each other safe. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this thing. Okay, so that was pretty good.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh,
I want water. Yeah.
Yeah, well, that was a good camp.
Yeah.
Come on, guys. Let's teleport back.
But first, who wants some coffee?
No, that's not coffee. That's water. Come on. We'll just get off here.